So on how to check your school fees in National Open University of Nigeria, you go to this website fees.faxnow.com.ng. Okay, just follow the link and you should see all of this. There are other things you could find, not only uh, fees. So, but we'll be treating fees. Okay, how much is my school fees this semester? Select your program, scroll, find it, find your program and choose it. Right? The Master of Business Administration, year one, maybe first semester. Search and voila. Here are your course codes, title, credit units, the cost of the registration or the cost of the course materials, and the exam fee. And at the end, like this, you will see first compulsory fee down here. Then, which is 62,500 currently. Although, if anything changes, it will also be updated here automatically. Then, total fee, of course, for all postgraduate students, for everybody offering this particular program, is this 125,500. First semester, you'll be paying 125,500. But in future semesters, it will be more. Uh, it's cheaper. It becomes lower. That's it. You can always choose any program you want. Find out the cost. Okay. Select level.